Hey guys, so I am here early. I hate to be late. It's my pet peeve. I'm here early. And I'm at Nissan. And I was told, let me back up. I was told, I'm just going to like put this, where am I going to put this? That if, here, I'm going to put this over here because I'm trying to drive. I'll do like a voiceover here. So I was told that if, my vehicle has a recall. I'm just going to put this down a second. I'll be over talking here. My vehicle needed a recall. So, what happened was I went in here and they're like, yeah, your vehicle needs a recall. And if they were going to do the airbag, right? And I said, okay, so I've had quotes for my shocks being done, and they're like, yeah, we're not going to do the shocks, we're going to do the frame, and if we see that the tower has rust, we're going to take the car. Like, Nissan's going to take it. We can't release it, like, if the rust is really bad because it's a safety issue. And I'm like, wait a minute, I need my vehicle. And he's like, no, that's okay if you don't want to bring it in today. And I go, yeah, I don't think I'm going to bring it in if that's the case. So, I'm like, so it basically, if you see something, you have to not release it to me. And he's like, yeah. I'm like, well, it's not a big deal to me. I've had this vehicle checked by different people, and I don't have a problem with it. So I am not going to be bringing it to you right now. And he's like, that's fine. We didn't want any surprises for you. So, with everyone looking at it, I haven't had any real concerns about the frame bending and breaking. So I am not going here today.